Satsakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Also, let me inquire whether Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhira is now maintaining the kingdom according to religious principles and with respect for the path of religion. Formerly, Duryodhan was burning with envy because Yudhiṣṭhira was being protected by the arms of Krishna and Arjun as if they were his own arms. Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhira was the emblem of religion. When he was ruling his kingdom with the help of Lord Krishna and Arjun, the opulence of his kingdom surpassed all imaginations of the opulence of the kingdom of heaven. His actual arms were Lord Krishna and Arjun, and thus he surpassed everyone's opulence. Duryodhan, being envious of this opulence, planned so many schemes to put Yudhiṣṭhira into difficulty, and at last the battle of Kurukshetra was brought about. After the battle of Kurukshetra, Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhira was again able to rule his legitimate kingdom, and he reinstated the principles of honor and respect for religion. That is the beauty of a kingdom ruled by a pious king like Maharaj Yudhiṣṭhira.